Now this time I will be showing you how to make Thai beef salad. It's really quick, it's really tasty, and it's really nice, perfect dish for the summer. It's quite light. So let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is probably a bit salt and pepper for my steak. I have a really nice piece of sirloin steak there. A bit of tap, and a bit salt and pepper, and then we're gonna be air frying this. There you go. So a bit of salt and pepper and a bit of olive oil to make sure it's not dry when we air fry them. Just a quick rub, give a bit of massage. There you go. I do it on both sides, and that's it. And then now it's ready for air fry. Frying it in the air fry, probably 180 degrees, probably between. Let's check the temperature. That's perfect. So now I'm going to make some Thai inspired dressings. Like first of all, we're gonna be chopping some red chili. It's totally your preference. You can remove the seed, so it's not too hot. If you can't have a too spicy food, you remove the seed and it just have this little red chili the outside. Then I'm gonna chop that. Finally chop chili in the bowl. Push that. Finely chop garlic if you can. Just one clove, that's enough. A little bit of ginger in there, and I have fish sauce here. And I have lime juice, freshly squeezed lime juice, quite a lot of those, and maybe tiny bit of honey if you have it. If not, just tiny bit of sugar, just to cut the edge out of the tanginess from lime. Have a bit of quick stir. Tiny bit of soy sauce, tiny bit, and just a quick stir. And there you have it. That's the dressing. So let's slice some onion. It's very good with chopped knife because then you can chop everything nice and fine. And then you see how sharp of the knife is that you can cut. It's very important to get a sharp knife to cut tomato because otherwise you bruise it rather than you actually cutting it. So as your preference, you don't have to cut it too small. Make sure it's not too small. Nice. Tomato in the bowl, cucumber in. Now thinly sliced cucumber in, and spring onions in. It's really lovely. So nice and tall. You see that? Look at the color. It's really vibrant and inviting. Now next one, chopping some coriander and some mint leaf. So no need to be fine, super finely chopped, just a coat. Nice and fresh. Look at that. Freshly herbs ready. Maybe a handful of mixed baby salad leaf and some dressing that you prepared earlier. just go quick. Plenty of those. And then just a quick toss it together. Don't mix it, otherwise you're gonna bruise the vegetable. That's it, look at that. Nice and vibrant color. Now is ready for your steak. I'm gonna carve the steak. I prefer mine is well done because I don't know, I think Thai people like to eat well done steak. However, you can make it medium rare or you can make it quite rare. It's totally up to you. But my one is nice and like medium well. Almost well done. And then I cut it against the grain because then it's gonna make it nice and soft and not chewy because you're gonna be chewing against it. Do a bit of salad. In. Look at that. Absolutely nice and vibrant color. Plenty of salad. Sirloin steak that we cook. There you go. There you have it. Thai beef salad.